Russia lost their main general who was responsible for the defense of the South Front. The Russian Major General, Chief of Staff of the 35th Combined Arms Army, Sergei Goryachev, was killed in the Zaporizhia direction. This is in translation of Russian text. War takes the best. Heavy fighting all through yesterday, June 12th, was almost along the entire line of contact group Vostok, especially at the so-called Vremyevsky outpost. The situation was difficult in the defense belt of the 60th and 37 Motorized Rifle Brigades. As a result of the enemy's rocket attack, the Chief of Staff of the 35th Combined Arms Brigade was killed. Chief of Staff of the 35th Combined Arms Army Major General Sergei Goryachev. And while we are watching the Ukrainian counteroffensive, keep in mind that the bulk of the Ukrainian army still hasn't engaged the Russian invaders in the south. 12 brigades, 3,000 armored vehicles of all types, and an undisclosed amount of troops waiting. The largest military operation of the European continent since 1945. Hell will soon break loose, but we won't say where. Ukraine's SBU security service has arrested one of Russia's top intelligence agents, who was operating a network that collected data on Ukrainian defenses near the Russian border. In a large-scale special operation, the SBU counterintelligence detained a 52-year-old Kharkiv resident who passed information to Russian intelligence about Ukrainian army and border guard personnel, weapons, and the locations and movement of military equipment, the press release reads. He also took photos of equipment movements, the SBU said. The suspect was charged with treason and faces life imprisonment. Ukrainian police also dismantled a large-scale bot farm. Over 4,000 bots to discredit the Ukrainian Defense Forces and spread propaganda in favor of Russia were used in Vinnytsia region. The group consisted of 3 Vinnytsia residents aged 30, 38, and 42. The offenders organized a bot farm using Russian services. They registered about 500 anonymous accounts daily. The bots were used to discredit the Ukrainian Defense Forces, justify Russia's armed aggression, shape Ukrainian public opinion, and undermine the socio-political situation in the country. The offenders received payments in Russian rubles. They converted the money into cryptocurrency and transferred it to bank cards using sanctioned payment systems, including web money. The offenders set up the bot farm in a garage in Vinnytsia. So guys, when you are reading stuff, keep in mind, there are a lot of Russian trolls on the web. Battle in the forest at night, like footage from a movie. Ukrainian infantry storms Russian trench.
Пустой. Не граната.
Pantsir III doing what it's supposed to do, retrieving damaged vehicles like this Leopard 2A6 which lost its right tracks. Repair and back into the fight. Explosions in Russian-occupied Luhansk. We don't know what is hit, though.
Охереть.
The armed forces destroy the positions of the Russians in the Zaporizhia direction with the help of the Grad anti-aircraft missile system. A Russian oil tank farm on the Kuban River is burning in Krasnodar. Ukrainian FPV loitering munition strikes on a Russian T-72B3M somewhere on the front.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.